In this presentation, I'm going to show you how to find the perfect niche for your blog. The number one challenge that aspiring bloggers face is finding a profitable niche, which is the key to being successful online. If you are considering becoming a blogger and want to be successful, here's how to find the perfect niche for your blog. Write down what interests you. Writing a successful blog is a fun process when the niche you choose coincides with the things that you're interested in. It is essential that you select a topic that you enjoy talking about so that you don't lose interest down the road. Write down all the ideas that you have and make sure not to overthink the process. Narrow down your list. When you've got all your ideas down on paper, select the 3 topics that you genuinely love. If you don't find you are super passionate about any of the ideas, spend some time researching the list you've created. Analyze which topics drew your attention and any topics that you could read or talk about for hours. Those are the kind of ideas you should focus on. Check the viability of your ideas. When you are choosing a niche, you need to keep the market trends into consideration. This can give you a solid idea of the probability of the niche, as well as the competition you'll face. You can use Google Trends to see the popularity of search queries across different regions. Analyze the competition. You'll need to analyze the competition to see where you stand and how difficult it will be to rank on Google. You can use Google Keyword Planner to determine the average monthly search the keyword gets. The higher the number, the more profitable the niche. Consider the profitability of the niche. If you want to make money from your blogging efforts, you need to choose a niche that you can easily monetize. A quick way to do this is to see if brands and businesses are advertising their products for the keywords related to the niche you choose. If they are, then you've picked a viable niche that you can monetize with your blog. Choosing the perfect niche for your blog doesn't take a lot of work. If you go through the above steps, it will be easy for you to decide what niche to use for your blog.